tiger. A hungry tiger hunts in the jungle. The tiger has sharp teeth and claws to catch prey. The tiger's coat is orange with black stripes, so it is hard to see in the trees. This is called camouflage and helps the tiger to creep up on prey. The tiger cools down in a lake when it gets very hot. Macaw. This noisy parrot is called a macaw. It has long red and blue tail feathers and colorful wings. The macaw lives high up in the treetops called the canopy. Here there are lots of fruits and nuts for it to eat. It uses its sharp beak to crack open the hard shell around the nuts. Orangutan. An orangutan is an ape. An ape is a primate like monkeys, but apes do not have tails. The orangutan uses its long arms and legs to move from tree to tree. At night, orangutans make a nest of leaves and branches to sleep in. If it is raining, they sometimes use big leaves as a hat or an umbrella to help stay dry. Morpho butterfly. The blue morpho butterfly is bigger than your hand. Its wings flash a beautiful blue in the sun. Butterfly wings are made of lots of tiny scales, like fish scales. Sometimes groups of morpho butterflies rest at the very top of the trees to warm themselves in the sun. Leaf-cutter ant. Leaf-cutter ants are very clever. They grow their own food. They use their sharp mandibles or jaws to cut bits out of leaves. Then they carry these bits of leaves back to their nest. At the nest, the ants chew the leaves to make a pulp. Food grows from the pulp that the ants can eat. Anaconda. The anaconda is a very big, long, strong snake that lives near water. Its eyes and nose are on top of its head, so it can hide in water to wait for prey. Anacondas kill their prey by squeezing it until it stops breathing. If the anaconda has a really big meal, it will not need to eat again for many months. Anacondas are nocturnal and hunt at night. Spider monkey. The spider monkey has a very, very long tail. It uses its tail to hang down from trees to pick fruit. Spider monkeys spend most of their time high in the treetops, picking fruits and nuts to eat. They are called spider monkeys because of their long, thin legs and arms. Blue poison frog. This blue poison frog is tiny but dangerous. It is about the size of a paperclip. The frog's bright blue skin warns other animals that if they try to eat it, they will be very ill. Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live on land and in water. The frog eats insects, which it catches with its long, sticky tongue. Armadillo. An armadillo has hard, bony plates on its back and head that work like a shield or armor to keep it safe. When they are attacked, some armadillos can curl up into a ball, so they are completely protected by the armor. Others quickly burrow into the ground, using the long, sharp claws on their front feet. Armadillos also use their big front claws to dig up insects to eat. Dung beetle. Dung beetles live all over the world and have a very important job. They collect animal droppings and roll them into a ball of dung or poo, but some lay their eggs in it. Others bury the balls of poo. The work that dung beetles do is very important because it keeps the place where animals live clean. Can you remember the names of these animals that live in the jungle?